Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Liberty Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go into new tab and searching for a libertybank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Liberty Bank, you need to click on the login option on top right of the screen. Here at the login form page of Liberty Bank, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot password. You click on it. Here to recover your password, you need to provide the following details, that is you go in for providing your username. Now you go in for providing your last 4 digits of social security number. Then you go in for providing your registered email address. After you are all done providing the details, you need to click on reset password where you will be able to recover your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover an online banking account password of Liberty Bank. Thank you.